Porridge. It's the ultimate comfort food, a breakfast staple for millions and a symbol of wholesome eating. But according to the UK government, it's about to be classified alongside crisps and chocolate as junk food. A proposed advertising ban set for 2026 aims to restrict how oats are marketed, all in an effort to fight childhood obesity. This has sparked a huge debate. Can a bowl of oatmeal really be unhealthy? Today, we're digging deep into the science, talking to the experts, and uncovering the truth about your morning bowl. We'll break down the different types of oats, the toppings that make or break your meal, and how to build the perfect, truly healthy porridge. So, why would a government label porridge as less healthy? It all comes down to a standardized scoring system that looks at fat, salt, sugar, and protein content. This system doesn't differentiate between a plain, whole-grain oat and a prepackaged sachet loaded with sugar and artificial flavors. It just sees hot oat-based cereal and gives it a score that lands it on the naughty list. And unsurprisingly, a YouGov poll found that only 2% of the public actually agrees with this. So is this a well-intentioned but clumsy policy, or is there a real health concern hiding in our breakfast bowls? Let's ask the experts. The unanimous verdict from nutrition scientists is a resounding yes. Plain, whole oats are incredibly good for you. Beta-glucan fiber lowers cholesterol and gut health. Manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, B vitamins. Supports gut microbiome. Unique antioxidants, avenanthramides, mood and anti-inflammatory. Dr. Federica Amati, head nutritionist at Zoe, calls whole grains good for you, with oats being no exception. Holistic nutritionist Hannah Truman highlights the thymoleptic, or mood-boosting effects of oats, thanks to their steadying influence on blood sugar and those special antioxidants. But, and this is a huge but, she also flags a potential issue. On their own, oats can cause a spike in blood sugar for some people, especially those with conditions like diabetes or PCOS. This is the first key to understanding the porridge puzzle. Oats need a wingman. Here's where things get tricky. All oats are not created equal. Let's look at the spectrum of processing. 1. Steel-cut oats, least processed, highest in fiber, lowest glycemic index. They digest slowly, giving you lasting energy. 2. Rolled oats, steamed and rolled flat. Still very nutritious, but have slightly less fiber and a slightly higher GI than steel-cut. 3. Instant sachets, the most processed, often pre-cooked and dried. But the real problem isn't the oat itself, it's what's added. These products, as Truman says, resemble a dessert more than a balanced meal. This is what the government ban is really aimed at. The danger is that by throwing all porridge into one category, we risk demonizing a healthy food and missing the real educational opportunity. This is the most important part of the conversation. You can take the healthiest steel-cut oats and turn them into junk food with your toppings. Or you can take a halfway decent rolled oat and make it a superfood. It's all in the combination. The expert's #1 tip? Always pair your carbs with protein and healthy fats. This combo slows down the digestion of the carbohydrates, preventing those blood sugar spikes and keeping you full and satisfied for hours. See the difference? One is a metabolic roller coaster. The other is a sustained energy source that supports your gut, hormones, and mood. What about your liquid base? Is milk good for you? Gut health guru Tim Spector is a proponent of full-fat dairy. The higher fat content actually helps slow the absorption of sugars, which helps balance your blood sugar. Emerging science even suggests it may help prevent obesity and diabetes. If you're dairy-free, just ensure your plant milk is unsweetened. Or you can even use water and add a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. So what's the final verdict? Is porridge good for you? The answer is, it depends. Plain oats are a nutritional powerhouse. But the type of oat, and most importantly, your toppings, determine whether your breakfast is a health food or a dessert in disguise. While adding ingredients to a bowl, here is your blueprint for a perfect, healthy porridge. 1. Base. Choose steel-cut or plain rolled oats. 2. Liquid. Whole milk or unsweetened plant milk. 3. Protein. A big scoop of Greek yogurt, protein powder, or a side of eggs. 4. Healthy fats. A tablespoon of nuts, seeds, or nut butter. 5. Flavor and fiber. A handful of berries or other low-sugar fruit. Avoid syrups, excess honey, chocolate chips, and sugary dried fruit. The government's ban may be well-meaning, but it lacks nuance. Don't let headlines scare you away from a humble, healthy oat. Be smart about your choices, and you can enjoy one of the world's simplest and healthiest breakfasts without any guilt. What do you think? Should porridge be banned from advertising? What's your favorite healthy topping? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. Thanks for watching till the end.